Hi, this is Maggie from Crafts the Charm. Welcome to a 2-minute technique. Today's technique is making a large decorative star by upcycling aluminum soda cans. To do this, you'll want 6 aluminum soda cans for a 6-pointed star, some tools for cutting the cans. I used a box cutter knife and aviation snips, a regular office stapler, and either some sandpaper or chalk paint. Some duct tape helps with assembly. You might also want to wear some gloves to protect your hands from the sharp edges of the cans. To begin, rinse out your cans and then remove the top and bottom of the can. I use a box cutter knife to cut around the top of the can, being careful to avoid the curved part of the can. I then use aviation snips to snip a straight line down to the bottom. I then cut off the bottom of the can. Either make a 6-pointed star or find a pattern for one on the internet and print out one complete point. It will be a diamond shape. The cans are around 4 inches by 8 inches, so scale your star point so that the 4 points of the diamond touch the edges as closely as possible. Trace the pattern onto the inside of the can using a dull pencil or Sharpie. Cut about a 1/4 inch away from the pattern so that you have some flaps you can press in. You can use the printed side of the can or the inside, which is aluminum colored. If you want to give your can some texture, find a hard textured item and use the back of the Sharpie to press the texture into your star pieces. Here I'm using some metal decor pieces from the Dollar Tree. You might want to distress your pieces, especially if you're using the printed side of the can. You can distress them by sanding, or you can dry brush them with some white or brown chalk paint, depending on the look you want. I distressed the painted side of Coca-Cola cans to get a faded red star by sanding them. Once you have your 6 diamonds and you're happy with the distressing, press all 4 flaps down and arrange your pieces in a star shape. Use the office stapler to staple them together in the middle. I used 2 staples for each pair of points. I found it helpful to duct tape them together before stapling. If you've textured your pieces, you might want to paint them with chalk paint and then dry brush over that to bring out the texture. I painted this star with Folk Art Home Decor chalk paint in Java and then dry brushed with Folk Art Home Decor chalk paint in Cascade. And that's it. Now you have a rustic or primitive style star that you can use in your decor. Here are my stars attached to my outdoor wall decor. Happy crafting!